What's up, El Segundo? I'm Emily Grigley, and this is the site of the brand new El Segundo Aquatic Center. Now, I know you might be wondering, where in the world is the water? Don't worry, great news. We are only a couple months away until you and your family get to enjoy this beautiful pool. The El Segundo Aquatic Center is almost ready to fill, so we spoke with Jeanette Gant, Aquatics Recreation Supervisor, who is going to take us through the aquatic facility and talk about what the operating system has to do in order to keep the nearly 1 million gallon pools clean.
Over here we have the high efficiency heaters. So these first two that you see are for the competition pool, and the one that's further back is for the smaller instructional pool. Behind them, you can't really see, there are Neptune Benson filters. So what they do is they are gonna filter like the smallest particles out of the water. Once it gets through the gutter, through what we call a strainer basket, those get the bigger particles. These will get, microscopic particles that we can't really see. And then over here, these two bigger pieces of equipment behind us are the SPCS smart pumps. So what they do is at night, they ramp down the entire system, still maintaining the flow that we need to keep operational, meet county health code, etc., but saving energy so that when we don't have people in the water, it kind of just slows everything down. And then these two chemical controllers are Beck System 5 controllers. And what they do is they're constantly monitoring the pool chemistry. So it's actually blowing through these sensors right here in the middle. And so it'll be testing like the chlorine and pH, temperature, etc., just every second, giving us an accurate reading. And then in addition to that, we test manually as well.
Jeanette was also able to tell us the progress of the pool, building, and locker rooms construction.
The pools themselves, it's a Murtha pool, so it's a very unique pool. It's not your standard. It's panels on the outside, and then on the bottom, and right now they're doing some lining and then a PVC coating as well. So the liner is going in as we speak. The pool deck itself needs to be completed. The two bulkheads for the competition pool will need to be finished, like fabricated, and then put in the pool. And then for the building, the locker rooms just are coming along nicely. There's, as you saw, showers, toilets, etc., just some finishing up in there. The pool equipment room, they have most of the major equipment installed. So I think just once the pool itself's finished, they will fill it up, turn it on, and then it'll take a few days to get all the water cycled through the system, heated and treated before we can get in.
The city is excited for this to be one of the many highlights in town.
The city is very interested and dedicated to getting some large-scale events here that will not just utilize the pool, but the local hotels, go out to eat in the restaurants around town. So we're hoping to get some large events here, definitely.
And the city has plans for a couple grand opening celebrations in just a few weeks.
We're having a ribbon cutting ceremony on September 29th. We're going to be planning a large grand opening celebration for sometime in November, which will just be a party for the community to come out, people to get in the water and have some fun. So I would anticipate, getting full public usage, hopefully by November.
If you want to continue to check in on the progress of the El Segundo Aquatic Center, please visit www.esaquatics.org for more information. I'm Emily Grigley with El Segundo TV.